before we start the video, just see what this says.
Simply delicious. Haha.
Alright. So, what I got here today, sometimes you just have to, sometimes you just have to kill old and abandoned Disney characters, or kill dead animals, or even kill YouTubers for that matter. But sometimes you just have to go real deeper, and yeah. Oh, this is copyrighted. Didn't hear anything. That was copyrighted. We can't do that. But sometimes you just have to kill Dr. Seuss animals. And just look at this little guy. He looks so friendly. Alright, so, where are my materials? Alright, which one should I use next? Yes. Alright, so the most sensitive area of the chicken's body is the crotch, so it's gonna have to, yeah. Let's get all that, yeah, that's good juice. Yeah. Well, since it's a cartoon character, can't really cut through it. Well, that's where our second thing comes in. We can just put it in there for 5 minutes. Jump cut. All right, you can see that nothing has done to it, so now we gotta put it. Now we gotta do the next thing. You know, who doesn't like macaroni and cheese and chicken and macaroni? Just put it on for like a million seconds. Jump cut. Okay. Nothing seems to be doing the trick. Alright, so we're gonna pause the video right here for now. We'll just wait a few hours and see what happens. You can. Oh yeah, that's some good juice. That's good stuff. Still doesn't seem to be doing anything. So our last thing we have. Shoot. And put it in there for about like a couple minutes. All right, seems to be done. Also, we've been putting a timer on with this little chicken timer. Get it? Because it's chicken. All right, it looked pretty cooked to me. So my only option now is just to put a little bit more flavoring on it. Spice it up. Just gotta make that crotch spicy. And you're obviously gonna have some chicken and macaroni with Simply Delicious spaghetti. Oh! Now remember, kids, you can only get this in your Happy Meal only at McDonald's. We'll be back with more Disney Channel. Don't you move.